Oh, we're gonna need the safety goggles for this one, guys. I hope you're ready for this. This was your idea. This was your idea.
That's because it's funny.
What are we doing?
We got these boxes here, and Luke's got the right idea.
Oh, I think I'm too small for these.
Oh, you got it, man. You're fine. You're fine. You know, just tuck it up. You know.
Tuck it up. Can we do a relay race? Always did these as a kid.
We should do a relay race first. All right, run at me. Run at me.
This is the starting line. We'll start at the wall, and first one to that wall wins.
How funny does this look?
It looks really funny. Nigel, please come in here, man. We need you.
Don't worry about the bike.
It's okay. We're not worried about the bike right now. We can buy a new one.
You know when you start a project and then you're so determined to finish the project?
I know.
Well, gosh darn it, I'm halfway through the project.
That's how I feel.
got one more to finish and my foot doesn't fit in here. And my foot does not fit forward in this box. It doesn't go all the way down.
It'll stretch
You
out.
both have tiny feet.
Yeah.
That was extra cushion.
Yeah, those were your FP insoles right there. He's got the right idea. What we're gonna do first before we play a game of skate in these
Oh, that's
is
nice.
we're gonna start on this wall right here, race on foot to the other side of the wall. The disrespect is unbelievable.
I'm sitting down.
Everyone, go ahead and just take a seat. We're gonna take a quick intermission real quick.
I feel like Ace Ventura. And you guys both of his legs stabbed with spears and such.
Here, you gotta use my feet as leverage. Wait. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! All right, let's race. Yeah. First person that touches the wall wins. Carlos, are you ready?
I'm ready.
On your mark, get set, go! Luke is insane.
He's already back.
He has an advantage with his boxes apparently. Look at this guy go. No.
That's his fight, Luke.
They're teaming up on me. Nigel has a bloody lip from Betty punching him. Oh my god.
Thanks, jerk.
All right. Hey.
Gabe, bring tape.
I need tape. I told you my foot was too big.
You break everything. Turn. Not that way. All right, you guys are good to go.
Or at least my foot fits.
Are you want to do full park or flat ground?
Full park.
Full park it is.
Uh-oh, your foot's peeping out.
Full park game of skate. Rochambeau for who goes first. Yes. All right, Luke is first, Nigel's second, and Fetty is last. Let's get it going.
I'm gonna drop it in. No. Yeah. This is like Moon Shoes Part 2.
It seriously is. And that was also like the best video we've ever made, so how are you even gonna get up there?
I don't know.
I think Luke got the best boxes.
Oh yeah. Told you needed the safety goggles for this one, man. Fetty, how are the crotch shields working?
Oh, that's great.
All right, Luke, full send. You got this. Whoa! Just crawl it out.
That was actually way too close. I felt it in my muscle, like almost tear.
That was good. That was incredible. I didn't know it was possible for a human body to flex like that.
I think I tore a hammy.
You need help?
I saw that.
I know, me too.
That was actually kind of bad.
It was terrible.
Oh my god, I am tired.
Full send.
I need tape.
Nigel! We'll count that. You break everything.
All right, Daniel, what do you think's better? Go off a little ramp or try to go above that little line? Just go off the ramp first.
Off the ramp. Nigel's pretty much got that kicker.
I told Carlos, I said, you're lucky you're missing this video for the sake of your Los Litos.
Oh wait, here, Luke. Did you want one of these?
Oh, that'd be nice.
I'm good.
You don't need it?
Now,
Can I use this as a push?
hey, when Pimp Daddy C come around, you can't be touching my
Money,
cane,
money.
alright?
Hey, don't
Just
touch
know,
the stick.
when Pimp Daddy C come around, boy.
Is that you?
Yeah, it's
What's
Pimp
the
Daddy
C?
C. I don't know. Don't ask questions. I'm just Pimp Daddy C, cut.
Hey, Pimp Daddy C, can you give me a light push? A little more, a little more.
I got you. Hold on. I got to.
Wait, not too, you gotta go faster. No, I'm not gonna make it, I'm not gonna make it. No, do we need to restart?
Alright, Pimp Daddy C can. Oh, Pimp Daddy.
Okay, I'm ready, Pimp. Faster, 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 faster.
Safe. Man, how does one video make such a mess in the skate park so quickly?
Look, when I try to ollie, I can't because it's too high. See? It's like not possible.
Are you ready?
No. It's terrible. This is the scariest thing ever.
I think Fetty's trying to go without the push. Look at, he's fully mastered it. Unbelievable.
I'm gonna roll down the thingy.
All right. Fetty going up the stairs. Down to 3?
Yeah, I'm gonna need a little push though.
All right, I got you. He's determined to do this on his own.
This is what killed me last time.
The consensus of the general players don't want any more pushes, so we're gonna stop doing pushes. It's all on their own will at this point. You see it, he went, oh. He figured out how to push. Well done.
I'm gonna try feeble feet.
I literally can't even do that trick on a regular skateboard with normal wheels. I mean, these are legs, people. Just want to let you know, these are legs, these are not wheels. That was amazing. You have to bend your legs for all these tricks, and the inability to bend just doesn't sound good.
Oh my god, no!
Fatty, your trick! That could have been so bad. All right, Luke, your trick. Watching and filming, Daniel, you ever wonder like what skating some of this stuff is like, and then you wonder about it, and then you're like, I'm really glad I'm not doing it?
I was just thinking that exact same thing.
Exactly. You got it, Luke.
It's like when you fall, you're falling. There's no like jumping off.
He literally he did a crisscross with his legs. He just died, dude. That was the best save I've ever seen.
Switch, drop into that?
Yeah, go ahead. my god!
I don't like him.
All right, Nigel, full send. You got this. First try. For that first try, don't forget to check out our website and the Shred Quarters because we have a limited edition first try / revive collab that you should definitely check out. There's only 100 of them in the entire world. Get one while you can.
I'm a back energy on the hips.
I keep falling on it.
I turn around for 3 seconds and Luke is literally dead.
Whose idea was this?
Ready.
He survives very narrowly.
I'm gonna go up the Euro and stall and then go up. No!
Okay, I'm gonna try to switch her off there. You know, I'm really curious how I'm gonna get up there.
Same.
These guys are good.
One more try.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Luke, I would say bend your knees, but since that's not really possible, just full send.
I'm so scared right now. Oh, you know what? Chuck Norris.
Yeah, one more try, Nigel.
A forfeit!
It's not allowed.
Oh, God. All right, here we go.
One more. No forfeiting in here. All right, last try for the money, Nigel.
And normally this is easy, just in a box. It's that much harder.
Full send. That is my favorite Nigel quote ever. He literally said, usually this is easy, but in a box, no. Eddie's straight in it to win it. You can see it in his eyes.
Can I just take them off till I get up there?
All right, full send. Nigel's over there shaking his head. He's mastered.
Well done.
That worked out surprisingly well.
Oh! He sat in that for a second. That was amazing. All right, you think Fetty got this? Oh, it's
he-
Nigel next anyways, right?
But yeah, Freddie did try this and this is how he died.
Oh.
Dang it!
That is it for Nigel. You are out, my friend. So it is K to K. Luke and Fetty are the remaining two. They've gotten like really good at moving around on these things though, right? Experts. As I say that, Fetty's literally falling.
Doing the 5?
Yeah. Do the tic-tac thing up and then down. I say Fetty should show him how it's done. Oh, I mean, you don't have to.
I was gonna go blunt the fake.
Oh, it's up to you. I could have told you that was gonna happen.
Brother man, you wanna fight? Pimp don't play that. Pimp don't play that. I'm a pimp first! Don't hit me! Don't hit me!
Bungee would make a box legs a lot easier.
There's not even a camera over there.
What are you?
He has issues.
Can land the back D maybe.
You had that last time.
He said I could do that, and then he did it. That's my boy. It's like I'm watching my son. All right, one more try. After a long, challenging, cardboardy battle, the winner is Luke. That was a lot of fun and really hard. I'm sorry for putting you guys through that, but that was fully Fetty's idea. Do you regret it?
No, it better be a great video.
But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please follow all of those skaters, Luke, Fetty, and Nigel on Instagram. Their links will be in the description below. And other than that, you can subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. And definitely let us know what you want to see in the future. We will make it happen. We will read those comments and see what you want to see. You can click right here to check out Moonshoe Skate, and you can click right here to subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow at 10 a.m.